Hey everybody, and good morning. I just went to the store to pick up a few things, and of course I had to check the gardening center, and of course they had some plants on clearance that I could not pass up. So I ended up getting quite the haul, so I want to show you guys what I picked up today. Alright guys, some of this was full price, most of it was clearance, which is why I purchased it. That's kind of how my gardens have grown to what they are, because that's what I like to do. We'll start with this one. We've got a Pop Star hydrangea by Endless Summer. It still has a couple blooms, but it's got a lot of new growth too. I already have like 4 of those, I think, on one side of the house, and they are performing really well. I just planted them last year and they've come back and are doing great this year. This one is Summer Crush, and it doesn't have any blooms right now, but it does have a lot of new growth. I have 2 of those in front of the house, and they're doing really well too. This is their 3rd year, and they're really pretty. So got another one of those. And then I have this one right here. This is another Bloomstruck. I have multiple Bloomstruck as well, because it's probably my favorite in the Endless Summer line as far as the blooms go, but I've not had fantastic success with them so far as how they perform coming back for me. I'm trying again with another one, even though I probably shouldn't have. All right, so I've got 3 of these. These were full price. I saw them the other day and wanted them. I like the variegated foliage. I think they'll stand out good in the garden. And they get 4 foot high, 4 foot wide. These are evergreen, and I need more evergreens. I picked up some sun patience. These are an annual, but I have a lot of new areas that don't have much in them, and I figured I could pop these in to add that color for the year. All right, I've got a palette here of a couple of different things. I've got the golden moneywort. I'm gonna put them in some pots so I have some trailing interest. And then I got some English ivy. All right, I ran out of space in the back of the car. Crazy good deal. I got the Jack of Diamonds Brunnera by Proven Winners for $1 a piece. I have this on one side of the house already. They're beautiful, they're thriving. They have the most beautiful blue flowers in the spring. And I could not pass up getting these. I mean, $1, that's amazing. So 6 of these. So I have a lot of very tall plants, and we've gotten a lot of rain, so they're flopping over, and I'm running out of stakes. And I actually really like these. There's 2 different sizes. They're like half hoops, and you can just stake them in the ground and it'll hold up the whole clump. Something else I picked up for staking purposes are just 2 packs of bamboo. Now for the front seat of the car, balloon flowers. I've never had balloon flowers, and these are so pretty, so cute. Look at how these look right before they bloom. They're like little balloons, and like you want to pop them. They're so squishy. Like, I'm so tempted to pop it. It's fun to touch. Oh my goodness, it's like a little marshmallow. And then they turn into this beautiful flower right here. So these are perennial. They need full sun. They get 8 to 24 inches tall, and they're hardy to -30. So they will come back year after year for me. And I couldn't pass it up because I was in the buying mood. One last thing, clearance for only $2 a piece is my coreopsis. I don't have any coreopsis in the garden. Definitely want to add it. It's a perennial. I could have grown it from seed, I'm sure, but I mean, $2 per clump, pretty big clumps. I can probably go ahead and divide it probably 2 or 3 times, honestly, and go ahead and have some established plants. All right, the golf cart is loaded down, and I hope you all tune in next time to see where I plant some of these. Thank you guys for joining me. Have a great day.